So you've just bought yourself a brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and whilst its internal speakers do sound really good, there are certain situations where you may need to use wired headphones. And whilst you may already have a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter cable, you may also need to charge and power your Tab S8 whilst you are using your headphones. And this is when an adapter such as this one by Cable Creations may come in handy. It plugs into your Tab S8 via USB-C there, and then on one end here it has also got USB-C so you can send power in, but whilst it is sending power in, you have also got a headphone output socket here as well. So simply plug the adapter into the USB-C port on your Tab S8, connect your USB-C power to the USB-C port on the adapter, and then plug in your headphones into the headphone jack on the adapter. And as we can see here, the Tab S8 is now receiving power and is charging. And we also have our sound from the wired headphones. Okay, so that should do it for this video then, and hopefully it has been useful to anybody who is wanting to know how to plug in their wired headphones into their Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 whilst at the same time supplying power to the S8. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and getting all over that bell notification icon. And as ever, there will be links below in the video description taking you to Amazon to where you can buy any of the products used in this video.